Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Happy New Year to everyone. It's a beautiful January 4th this morning. What we want to talk about today is cold weather and tractors. Now, I understand it's been pretty nice. We've had a really nice fall and early winter, but from all predictions, there's cold that's coming. So what we want you to do is a few things that will help you when the cold does show up. So first thing, go looking for this, your cord to plug your block heater in. We've done videos before where it shows you where to plug that in, but go looking for your cord, take your tractor, pull it up beside where you plug it in. It's nice if you have a place to put it inside, but if you don't, pull it up beside there, hook your cord up, get everything going, make sure that you can hear the block heater running. So open up the hood, plug everything in, listen for the sizzle from the block heater when the engine is cold. Then the other thing is, if you haven't done it, maybe get a spare fuel filter. You should have run enough fuel through already this year to be into good winter fuel. But it's always a good idea to have that spare fuel filter, because when the cold weather shows up, there can be some residual fuel in there, some summer fuel that gels into that filter, and then you'll start to have issues when it gets really, really cold. Another good thing is some fuel conditioner. Run a little fuel conditioner into your tank. Doesn't matter where you buy it, just get some good fuel conditioner. Follow the directions on the back, put it in your tank, mix some fresh fuel into it, and you should be set to go. Anything more, if you have questions, by all means, we're always around. Give us a call. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.